Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about iTunes gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to buy an iTunes gift card on Target, the app. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But this is all taken care of in the Target app. It's this red and white app right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up the Target app, and this is the home screen, and here on the home screen you're going to see various specials that Target is running. But if you want to buy an iTunes app store gift card on Target, what you want to do is go ahead and click right here on the search bar called Find Anything. I'm going to click there now. Alright, I went ahead and click there. Once you click there, what you want to normally do is type in iTunes gift card. I'm going to type it in now. Okay, I went ahead and typed it in. Next, you're going to see this drop down menu, but usually what I'll do is go ahead and choose the top one, iTunes gift card. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and click there, and then as you can see, there's various gift cards that come up, but usually what I'll do is scroll down until you see the iTunes gift card logo right there. Now, one thing I want to note is that I'm not sure if you can buy a physical iTunes gift card on Target. The only thing I've ever purchased was an email gift card. So if you're looking to give somebody a physical card, then you're probably gonna have to go to a Target location. But with this gift card, you get an email delivery and then you can forward it on to whoever you like. So let me go ahead and click on here now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and then as you can see, if you scroll down, you get a couple of different options. First, you can go ahead and choose the picture type that's going to come on the iTunes gift card. So if it's a birthday or back to school or whatever, usually I'll just click this one, just have the general logo. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you can go ahead and choose the dollar amount that you want on your iTunes gift card that you're buying on Target. So for me, I'm going to choose the $15 right there. And then as you can see, it's email delivery only. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. All right, once you've chosen the dollar amount, then you want to go and click on this red send it button. I'm going to click there now. But as you can see real quick, it says that it's usually sent within 4 hours. So if you need something immediate, go back and watch my other video that shows how to get an iTunes gift card much quicker. But if you're not in a big hurry, go ahead and click here on the send it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, now it's been added into my shopping cart, as you can see down here. So I'm going to go into my shopping cart now. Okay, next you get this confirmation screen. So I'm buying one $15 App Store gift card. You can change the quantity here if you'd like to. Also, it does say it's email delivery. And here at the bottom, it's going to be the total. So if all that looks good, go ahead and click this red checkout button, or you can use Apple Pay if you're using an iPhone. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use checkout. Okay, next this checkout button pops up. So it's going to show the email recipient. So it's going directly to me. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the payment method. So I already have a credit card, Visa, set up with my Target account. If not, then you will need to click this blue button here on the right to change the payment method. And then also just the general contact email in relation to this iTunes gift card purchase on Target. If all that looks good, go ahead and click this place my order. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next Target's asking me to confirm the credit card that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and typed in the full credit card number. I'm going to click confirm card now. Okay, now Target's asking for the security code from the back of my credit card. So I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click confirm now. Okay, next you get this confirmation screen from Target saying that the order is being prepared, and then I will receive an email once my order has been sent or emailed. Now, once again, they say that it can take up to 4 hours. As you can see, the time right now is 8:10 where I'm recording. So I'll check back in with you once I receive the iTunes gift card from Target and let you know exactly how long it took. Okay, so now the order has been placed and I switched over to my email confirmation. As you can see, it says, thanks for your order, and it confirms the dollar amount, and this email went out immediately. And in my experience, the card usually goes through in about 2 hours. So if yours took longer, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Or if yours went through immediately, be sure to leave a comment below. So that is how you can buy an iTunes gift card on Target. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.